Hello, boys and girls. How are you all? This is Miss M. I'm glad that you are here to watch this video. At the beginning of our session, I'd like to share my screen. Well, today we are going to discuss about Unit 8. The title of the unit, Animal World. Reading Non-Chronological Report. Well, the objectives of our lesson today is to identify the features of the non-chronological report. But what does it mean, non-chronological report? Do you remember? Well, non means not, chrono means time, and logical means ordered. So it's not time ordered. It doesn't include time order because this is not a story. This is a factual report. When I say factual report, that means it includes facts. Well, so what do you think? Is it fiction or non-fiction? Non-fiction, of course. So it's non-fiction and it includes facts. Well, in our lesson, we will talk about some animals that are in the danger or at the risk of extinction. They are in danger. They are at risk. What kind of risk? Risk of extinction. They will die and they will never exist again because there are only few numbers of them around the whole world. Like what? Like the Amur leopard, leatherback turtle, and Javan rhino, and also the red pandas. First of all, we will talk about the leatherback turtle. We need to find the features of the non-chronological report. What makes the non-chronological report different than any other story or any other article? Well, Leatherback Turtle. This red title, it's not a title. We call it heading. We call it what? A heading. It's like a title, but we use the word title or the term title when we read or write a story. But this is not a story. This is a report. So we use the term heading. Well, what about this? Turtles are prehistoric animals. They lived on Earth for 150 million years since the time of dinosaurs. We call this an introduction. An introduction introduces the topic to the reader. When you read this introduction, you know that we are going to talk about turtles because they are very old animals. Okay, so first of all, we use a heading and then an introduction to introduce the topic. How about this one? Leatherback Turtle's Journey. This is a subheading. We can only use one heading. But what about this? This is a subheading. Why do you think it's important? Because it tells us that the following paragraph is going to talk about a particular information, which is the journey of the turtles. So, Leatherback Turtle's Journey, this is a subheading. It's going to tell us that this paragraph will give us information about the journey of the turtles. So they travel thousands of kilometers from the beaches where they lay eggs to the oceans where they catch jellyfish. So this paragraph includes related information to the subheading. Well, turtles in danger. Another subheading. Turtles in danger. Why they are in danger? Why they are at risk? So the following paragraph will include information about the reasons these animals are considered in danger. Turtles are in danger because Number 1, people collect their eggs to eat. Turtles die when they eat plastic bags. They think these plastic bags are jellyfish, so they eat them and then they suffocate. They can never breathe. Number 3, this is reason number 3. Turtles get caught in fishing nets. So the subheading says turtles in danger. So I have to speak or I have to find information about the reasons why these animals are considered in danger. I can never find information about their habitat, for example. Information has to be related to the subheading. Well, let's read this paragraph and find out together the features of the non-chronological report. First of all, we have to find the heading. The heading is at the top of the article, or it has to be at the top of the report. Here, pandas. Pandas, this is the heading. Okay. Pandas are the most popular animals in China. They are related to birds. What is this? Is this a paragraph? No, it's just an introduction. It introduces the topic. The topic is about the pandas because they are popular in China and they are related to birds. Okay, how about this question? What are the types of pandas? This is a subheading. It tells us that the following paragraph is going to talk about a particular information, which is the types of pandas. There are 2 different types of pandas, the giant panda and the red panda. The giant panda has black and white fur and black patches around its eyes. The red panda, which is the size of a cat, has a long tail. This is a paragraph, and this paragraph is related to this subheading. What are the types of pandas? Another subheading, where do pandas live? The habitat, where do they live? Some information about their homes. Pandas live in jungles. Giant pandas live in mountain areas. Red pandas live in the eastern Himalayas in places like China and Nepal. Okay, so this is subheading and this is a paragraph. What do pandas eat? Diet. What's their diet system? What do they like to eat? And what's their favorite food? The following paragraph has to be about this. Okay, and this one, this last question is considered an ending sentence or a conclusion. It concludes the whole report. Do you think pandas can be pets? This is an ending sentence. And also we can say pandas are tame animals. Pandas are special animals. Any ending sentence. It's just a conclusion to your paragraph. Well, let's review together the features of the non-chronological report. Of course, it's non-fiction report. Non-fiction, it includes true information and facts. Number 2, it's not written in time ordered. It's not a story, so it doesn't make any problem to shuffle the paragraphs together. We can speak about the pandas types, and then we can speak about the habitat. And we can switch the paragraphs together, ups and downs. It will not make any difference because it's not a story. Number 3, it's written in the present simple tense. When we write facts, true information, we have to use the present simple tense. It gives us information. It has subheadings. Only one heading and subheadings. Subheadings could be 2, 3, and the paragraphs have to be related to the subheading. Okay, now I want you to bring your anthology book. Page number 82. Page number 82. Page 82. Okay, Javan rhino. This is a, very good. This is a subheading or heading. What do you think? We are going to talk about the Javan rhino. So this is the big heading. This is a heading. Okay. There are 5 types of rhino in the world, which are all under threat. Threat means like something dangerous is gonna happen. This is a threat. But the Javan rhino is the most threatened. The most threatened animal. That means it is in a danger. Okay. Look at this. It lives in the tropical forests in Java and has one horn, which is about 30 centimeters long. So this is an introduction. It introduces the topic. Okay. How about this? What is the problem? How many are left? This is a chart. This is a chart. And the chart includes information. And this information could be in a form of sheet, or it could be in a form of picture. Okay, it could include numbers. So this is a chart, and the chart is like an information sheet. It could be a schedule, and it could be a picture. Okay, look at this. This is a picture, and this yellow information includes short description about this picture. When I see this picture, I don't know anything about it. What's wrong with the picture? Why is this picture in the book? I don't know. But when I read this information, I can understand the Javan rhino has skin that looks like armor. So this is a short description about the picture, and we call it caption. We call it caption. So what is the caption? The caption is a short description about the picture. So in the non-chronological report, we can find charts like this one. We said the chart includes information in a form of a schedule or in a form of diagram. And it could also include pictures and captions. Pictures and captions. Okay. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.